This is the final video to solve the League of Legends Wild Rift black screen issue on BlueStacks. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve the League of Legends Wild Rift black screen issue on BlueStacks, and I'm going to share them with you. The black screen on BlueStacks for Wild Rift often stems from rendering conflicts or outdated configurations. Method 1 addresses this by forcing a specific graphics renderer. BlueStacks can default to a renderer that doesn't fully support the game's engine, causing a visual output failure. By switching to a more compatible renderer, typically OpenGL or DirectX, we ensure the game's graphics pipeline can communicate correctly with your system. Method 2 focuses on clearing the game's cache and data within BlueStacks. Game files can become corrupted or outdated, leading to initialization errors that manifest as a black screen. A clean slate allows BlueStacks to re-download necessary components, resolving any file integrity issues. Method 3 involves adjusting the graphics engine mode within BlueStacks settings. Different engines have varying levels of hardware acceleration and compatibility. Optimizing this setting ensures BlueStacks is allocating resources efficiently for Wild Rift, preventing performance bottlenecks that could freeze the display. Finally, Method 4 is about updating BlueStacks itself. Older versions may contain bugs or lack support for the latest game patches, creating incompatibilities. Ensuring you have the most recent BlueStacks version guarantees that any known issues preventing Wild Rift from launching correctly have been resolved by the developers.